Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? J plus hump, jump. Row plus P, rope. Jump rope. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone. Glad you could join us to help us wrap up another exciting week here on Classic Concentration. I tried my little jump rope technique there, and it seemed to work for me. Things have been working not all that well for the lady on my right because she was rolling along beautifully on yesterday's program, and she didn't win the game. But she's here to make up for that today. Let's welcome back Paula Parmley. Hello, Paula. I want to wish you good luck today.
Thank you.
You're in against... Okay, are you into feet?
Into feet?
Feet? You're not by any chance a foot fetishist, are you?
No.
Oh, well, then you won't be interested in this. Let's take a look. I don't know what this is.
Tan during the day and hula the nights away on the enchanting island of Oahu, Waikiki Beach. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Honolulu. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll enjoy 6 nights at the famous Hilton Hawaiian Village, home of Don Ho, international star Charo, award-winning restaurants, and 100 boutiques. A 20-acre tropical resort furnished by Hilton Hawaiian Village. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. I've stayed there at the Hawaiian Village on a couple of occasions. Very nice hotel. Lovely accommodations. Jeff and Paula, here's where you'll find that fantastic Waikiki Beach vacation at number 16. And Paula, you go first in this one.
Okay. I would love to go to Hawaii, so I'm going to see if I can find it under number 20.
Wild card.
And as I said, I would love to go to Hawaii, so let's try number 16.
Let's try it and see what it brings. It brings the Waikiki Beach vacation, and we'll put that with the other Waikiki Beach directly above it, and
Great.
You'll get a look at 3 pieces of the puzzle. Let's do that now. Select again, please.
Okay. Let's see up at the top, number 8.
Deli meat slicer.
Okay, let's try to match that meat slicer under number 5.
His and her 10-speed bikes. The deli meat slicer, by the way, is not what you think it is. It's one of those Swiss Army knives, and you just slice your own meat. Jeff, back to you.
Okay, let's go number 18.
Microwave.
Microwave. That would be good. Let's look for a wild card or match under number 22.
Chandelier. No match. Paula.
Okay, I'd still like to see that top corner. How about number 7?
Outdoor furniture.
Okay, how about the other corner at number 25?
Diamond tennis bracelet. That's a lovely prize, but obviously we have no match there. So, Jeff, we go back to you.
Okay, let's go up in the corner to number 1.
Bedding ensemble.
Let's look for a match under number 15. All right.
Bedding ensemble. Well done. Natural, too. No wild cards used up on that one. Let's open the 2 panels for him.
No clue.
All right, pick again.
Okay, let's look under number 14.
His and her 10-speed bikes.
And was the match for that under number 5? Yes.
His and her 10-speed bikes. It was there. Another match for our returning champion, Jeff. Let's see what happens now as we open these 2 doors. Pick again.
Okay, how about number 23?
Green tape.
That would be great. I could take that Hawaii vacation. How about number 4?
Microwave. No match. Paula, here's your chance.
Okay, let's see if the microwave was under number 18.
Yes.
Okay, and number 4.
Number 4. That's a
There
match.
we go.
You know, after you selected the 18, you looked at me as if you expected me to provide the other half of the prize.
Well, you knew it was there.
I knew it was there, but I need you to tell me. 2 doors are opening up for you, Paula. Select again.
Okay, how about number 2?
Motorcycle.
Okay, we haven't seen that yet. Is the motorcycle under number 21?
No, red take is there, though. Jeff?
Okay, let's look under number 6.
There's a wild card.
And how about number 21?
21 for the red take.
Okay.
The other red take is at number 9. And what is Jeff going to do with this, I wonder? He's going for the microwave.
I'll take the vacation
Right now?
Yeah, I'll take it
Right now, he wants that Waikiki Beach vacation.
I'll take it.
Will he get to enjoy it? We'll know soon enough. Let's open these 3 panels. Select again.
Okay, let's look under number 19.
Deli meat slicer.
Was that under number 8? Yes.
Deli meat slicer is correct under number 8. And
Bam.
Jeff has earned another chance to solve this puzzle. Pick again.
Let's look under number 17.
Diamond
tennis
tennis bracelet.
I think we saw that under number 25.
Is that where it was?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Paula's beginning to look a little grim.
Yeah.
But there is still one wild card up there, Paula, so if you get a chance, you may be able to make it pay off beautifully. Right now, we're going to open these 2 doors for Jeff.
Is it Stand By Me?
Is it Stand By Me? No, it is not. Pick again.
Okay. That's all right. Let's look under number 10.
There's the wild
Take
card.
that. And how about open the board under number 7?
Outdoor furniture. The other outdoor furniture is on the bottom line at 24. Open these 3 panels now for Jeff. Pick again.
How about number 22?
Chandelier.
Was that under number 12?
Green take. Paula, you breathe again.
Barely. Let's try number 23
Green take.
and number 12.
Green take. Guess what she's going to do with this. We have bedding. We have bikes. We have a bracelet. We have outdoor furniture. We have the deli slicer.
I'm sorry, Jeff. Gotta do it.
And we have the holiday.
I'd like Hawaii vacation,
The
please.
Hawaii holiday coming back to Paula's side. And can she solve the puzzle now to enjoy that vacation? She's going to need to make one more match, obviously. Paula, can you do it?
Let's try number 3
Chandelier.
and number 22.
Chandelier.
What
That's
is
it for the board. Chandelier goes up in Paula's column. We open those 2 panels, and we will show her 2 and 13. That's the motorcycle. And now, Paula, when we open these doors, I want you to solve this puzzle for the win. Jeff, can you solve it? All right. Hands on your signaling buttons. I'm going to assist you. Remember, you can ring in when the little green light goes on. The first symbol, we have a bat with a number of hits. So it starts off with hits or its. And the tree, what kind of a tree? Look at the bottom. What do we have there? We have acorns. That means it's an oak tree. And you put that with, Paula?
It's okay by me.
Sounds good. It's okay by me. And the lady's going to Hawaii. Come on, Paula. Congratulations. That's it. Now break it down.
Okay, we have the number of hits for the it's and an oak tree, which I don't know my trees. It's oak and the hay for it's okay. The B plus the I, by and me. It's okay by me.
And I guess it is okay by you, right, Paula?
Yes.
Yes, it is. It's okay. And it's okay by Jeff. He's just got the 1 strike, so he'll be back in game number 2 in a little bit. We'll see you then, Jeff. For the moment, Paula, you want to hear about these prizes, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
Including the trip. Tell her, Gene.
a microwave, and a chandelier. Frederick Raymond's Festival Collection Chandelier, European and contemporary design to complete any decor. Yesteryear's ambiance with present-day flair, artistic lighting, furnished by Frederick Raymond. And a motorcycle. Loosen up and have some fun with a Honda CB50 motorcycle. Handles everything from around the block to around the town. Compact size and lightweight, designed to make it easy to maneuver and transport. And of course, exciting Waikiki Beach. And Paula, this will be okay by you too, because you have prizes totaling $5,267.
There you go, Paula. She's going to come back and play for a brand new car also, right after this break. Paula's won a game, and now she wants to win a car. Let's get to it. 15 numbered squares. Base time on the clock, 35 seconds. That's it. Take a deep breath. Cross your fingers. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
3, 2.
No.
1, 3.
Yes.
4, 2.
Right.
5, 6.
No.
7, 8.
No.
9, 10.
No.
5, 10.
Right.
11, 7.
No.
6, 11.
Right.
12, 7.
Right.
13, 14.
No.
8, 14.
Right.
15. 9.
Yeah. Yes, indeed. 31 seconds. Hello. Tell her about it, Jane. This is fast. Boy, oh boy.
Paula, you've just won this Toyota Tercel four-door sedan. Features a 1.5-liter, 12-valve, four-cylinder engine and 3-speed automatic transmission. Furnished by Toyota. A prize worth over $9,300.
Paula was good and Paula was lucky. And Paula winds up with $14,900. A holiday in Hawaii. A new baby on the way. What a great day for the two of you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
We'll take a break. We'll come back and introduce a new player after this. Well, Paula wasn't with us all that long. Came out like a house on fire, won that game, and in 31 seconds, picked up a brand new car. So she's going away a very happy young lady. And having won the car in 31 seconds, she could well be back on our program next year in our Tournament of Champions. For the moment, though, we're delighted to welcome this young lady to our show, and her name is Meryl Clapman. Hello, Meryl.
Hello.
Good to have you here.
Thank you.
We're going to get right into it, okay?
Good. You got it.
I hope you're into games. You
I
like
am.
playing games?
I'm a little kid at heart.
Yeah, here's a great game for kids and adults.
Olhausen Provincial is constructed of oak solids and veneers. Carefully engineered sturdy frame rails feature a two-piece T-nut construction for maximum playability. Genuine leather pockets furnished by Olhausen. Alex.
Pool table is always one of our popular prizes. We'll show you where you can find it on the board at number 12. We have a holiday in Las Vegas. We have $600 in the cash pot, and we have 5 bonus seconds in this game. And Meryl, you get to go first.
I'm going to start off with my lucky number 8.
8. Limited edition artwork.
And let's try number 18.
Limited edition artwork. That's a good beginning,
Do
Meryl.
it.
Put that prize up here quickly. Open these 2 doors for this lady. She wants to win and win quickly.
You bet I do.
Select again.
Let's try number 14.
5
Oh, I
bonus
could use
seconds.
those. In the corner, number 1.
Las Vegas. No match. Jeff.
Okay, let's go for that trip. Under number 20.
5 bonus seconds.
And was that under number 14? Yes.
Yes.
Need those. I do need those.
That would be good for you. Open the 2 panels. Select again.
Okay. How about number 22?
Red take.
And number 4.
Wild card, so that's good news for you. You'll get the take out of it. The other one is at number 2. She has the limited edition artwork. You want to grab that now? Are you into art?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it.
All right. Gosh, don't tell me you can solve this puzzle right now.
I'm
Think
not
so?
sure.
Well, let's open the panels and we'll find out. Solve this puzzle, Jeff.
Is it slip of the tongue?
Is it slip of the tongue? No, it is not. Go again.
Okay, how about number 11?
Physician scale.
And let's look for a match under number 21.
computer. No match for you, so we go to Merrill.
Let's try number 15.
Physician scale.
Oh, we just saw it. 16?
No.
Oh, God.
No. Jeff,
Okay, let's go with number 11
that's the physician scale.
and number 15 for the match.
Same line, yes, middle line. That prize goes into Jeff's column. He's got 3 up there right now, and we open these 2 doors for his benefit.
Is it hold your tongue?
Looks like it. Somebody in the audience agrees with you. Hold your tongue.
Yes!
And Jeff is not too eager, is he? Well, let's go to the panel.
Up here we have a hold, plus the D for hold, the Y down here, plus the or, and the tongue. Hold your tongue.
Hold your tongue. Big comeback for you. You lost the last game, came back strongly in this one, and poor Merrill. She must feel like she's been just attacked here rather severely
okay. We'll get back at him.
by this young man. Yeah, you've got 1 strike only, Merrill, and that means you'll play again. So we'll see you in that game. So long for now. You're rough, Jeff.
gotta win it.
Relentless. You've got to win it. That's right. You want to win a car and a trip. Let's find out about your prizes this time, though. Gene.
A physician scale and limited edition artwork. Published by Ron Siegel Galleries in Los Angeles and Seattle. An impressive graphic titled Comet, originally created by artist Stan Solomon. This limited edition serograph is numbered and hand-signed by the artist and furnished by Ron Siegel Galleries. And the 5 bonus car second.
That's very important, yes, because that means you'll have you'll have, what, 45 seconds, I guess, when we come back after these commercial messages. Thank you for staying with us. A big moment coming up as Jeff tries to win another car. But before that, we have to join Marjorie in her beautiful poinsettia dress. She has a message for all of you.
Well, thank you, Alex. If you would like to try out for Classic Concentration and you live in the Los Angeles area or you're coming to Los Angeles, all you have to do is call area code 213-965-1234. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Marjorie. All right, let's take a look at these cars that you have a good chance to win in this next minute and a half or so, Jeff. Hyundai Excel on the bottom shelf. Next, the Nissan Sentra, the Toyota Tercel, the Honda Civic, the Jeep Wrangler. I know you want to win that one. The Daihatsu Charade, the Ford Escort, and finally we have the Dodge Colts. You ready to do this?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Okay.
try.
Well, here are the 15 numbered squares for you. This is your 3rd time up here, so we have 45 seconds on the clock, but you picked up those 5 bonus seconds in that last game, so you're going to be operating with a full 50. Good luck to you. Off you go.
1, 2,
No match.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
10, 4,
No.
11, 8,
Yes.
13, 14,
No.
5, 9,
No.
13, 9,
Right.
12, 2,
Yes.
3, 5,
Yes.
6, 15,
No.
6, 14,
No.
10, 4,
No.
4, 14.
No. The Tercel and the Excel got you again, didn't they? Gosh, it's so hard to get your mind around that little impediment, but that's okay. You've got $6,268 in prizes. I know you wanted to play again and win that trip first and then get the car. We'll take a break. Gene, talk to us, please.
Some of today's participants may receive from Krupp's, world famous for quality, reliability, and excellent design, a great kitchen startup set. Includes powerful handstand mixer, coffee maker and mill, and universal citrus press. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Jeff has a brother who won a Jeep Wrangler on this show many, many months ago. So he has some sibling rivalry there. He's got to match that performance. But he also wants that holiday. We'll see if he gets it on the next show. So long, everyone.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.